Hi, my name is Ruby. Thank you for joining me with this meditation. If you'd like to learn more, please check out my website, whatasimplelife.com. Thank you for being here. Let's get started. Welcome. Today we're going to do a chakra cleansing and clearing. And please find a comfortable position and location you won't get disturbed. And please do not listen to this while you operate any machinery or can cause any danger or harm to you and others. Let's get started. It's best to listen to this while you're lying down. So get nice and comfy on your back. Let your feet to flop out on the side and place your palm facing up toward the sky. As you allow yourself sink deeper and deeper into the surface beneath you, take a whole deep breath in and allow your belly to expand like a balloon. Then inhale, then exhale and let it all go. Inhale deeply and on your next exhale, repeat yourself, relax, and make conscious decision to very gently lengthen and deepen your breath through this practice. I invite you to move your attention to the space just above of the crown of your head and visualize a beautiful, brilliant ball of white light. Just hover there. As you focus on the light, you will notice that becomes brighter, and you see this light unfold into a beautiful 1,000 petals of lotus flowers, and these flowers start to spin and sparkle, spinning a most beautiful white light that you have ever seen. And as it spins, you start to see it washing away anything that you know it's time to let it go. Release all the tensions. Let everything to be clear. You get this overwhelming feeling of oneness. In this sensation that you are fully connected to your higher self. In your next inhale, you are following this breath down to your third eye chakra in the space between your eyebrow, where you see a beautiful, violent, twinkly light. And this light grows and gets brighter and more intense with every breath you are take. And you are seeing this vibrant light start to dissolve anything in that way that blocking this chakra. See the old thought, belief, and the emotion being washed away and being recycled, replaced with this bright, violent light. As you know that you are always guided by your intention, on your next inhale, following your breath down to your third eye, to your throat chakra, which is located in the center of your throat. And you are seeing the most beautiful, brilliant blue light, brighter than the most bluest sky. It becomes so bright and vibrant as it swirls and spins, cleansing and clearing away anything that you want to release. And your neck becomes filled with this beautiful, shimmery light. As you know that you can communicate effectively, and you have the confidence always to speak your truth. as the light moves down from your throat all the way down to your throat chakra, to your heart chakra, located in the center of your chest. In your heart chakra, there's a brilliant, bright green light, shining like emerald gemstone. And as this beautiful green light is tinged with pink, and as glimmers and then start to spin, you get an overwhelming sensation of love, joy, happiness, and gratitude. And with every breath, you are feeling growing this strength, so that you are not only feel them in your heart chakra, but in your whole body, and you are feel so thankful. Rest deeply in this feeling of love. You are loving, you are lovable, you are loved. As the light moves down to your solar plexus chakra, which is located above your belly button, and you see this brilliant, bright bolt of sunshine. As it gets brighter every breath, it starts to spin. It has a magnetic power. Gather everything you want to release. Let the light wash through it and let it all go. And you see the solar plexus being golden rays of sunlight. You are immersed and motivated and step into your fullest power. And on your next breath, following the light down from your solar plexus to your sacral chakra, which is in a few inches below your belly button, where you see the brilliant orange light shining so bright. And with every inhale, it grows even bigger and brighter, and then start to slowly spin, shimmering and glittering. And as the orange light expands, you feel it wash away all emotion that you are ready to release. Let it all go. You forgive the past and embrace the future. You are the creative and passionate being. As you move down to your sacral, to the root chakra, which is located in your tailbone, you see a deep, vibrant, fiery red light there, the color of lava. And with each breath, you grow brighter and brighter as it burns away everything you want to release. You may even feel warm in your root chakra, and as it becomes to activate more powerful, you know that you are grounded, you are supported, you are secure, and you are so abundant. And on your next inhale, visualize all your chakras lighting up, beaming their own colors outward, shining, illuminating, being bright. Feel the strength in the power of this illuminate energy centers. Everyone you are coming into contact with is going to feel this light and uplift just by being your present. You feel energized and alive, ready to follow your highest calling. As you take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. Allow yourself come back to this body now. Notice the difference how you feel as you gently blink your eyes open and move your fingers. Thank you for joining with me today. Have a good one. Thank you for listening. Please leave us a review or any feedback in the comment below, or you can email us at hi@whatasimplelife.com and check out more audios on my website. Have an amazing day.